Okay, so now going into programming, the first thing first is that we are supposed to first of all know the benefits of being a programmer. What am I really going to do as a programmer? Okay, now you should know that programming is the prerequisite to software development. Okay, that means if you want to go into any form of development, it is advisable that you have to pass through programming. Okay, now I know in the modern day development and modern day world, there are a lot of tools that you can use, especially when it comes to web development. There are a lot of tools that you can make use of that you don't really need to bother about learning programming or spend your time in doing various things that are programming related. Okay, but the truth is, for you to be a professional, if you really want to beat your chest and say, yes, I'm a professional developer, there is no way, I'm not advising that you skip the programming aspect, because in one way or the other, you might find yourself in the situations whereby you need to fall back to programming. And if you're that type that just neglected programming, being an old concept of development or old things, let's say seeing it as not necessary in the first place, you have problem on the long run. Okay, except you pray that you don't find yourself in such kind of situations. Okay, but to me, my own opinion is that if you really want to see yourself as a developer, you must pass through the stables of programming. You must do programming before you call yourself a developer. Okay, so in a nutshell, what I'm trying to say is, for you to be a software developer, you want to be a web developer, you want to be a mobile app developer, you want to even build desktop app or server apps or any form of application development or software development, you must pass through programming. Okay, so that is one of the reasons why you should learn programming, or that is one of the benefits of learning programming. Okay, now according to my opinion, also there are other aspects of IT you also find yourself that are not programming, but your knowledge as a programmer will help you scale through a lot of all these processes, or a lot of all the things that you are going to do in that particular aspect of IT. Okay, so you see, this programming thing, even though a lot of people shy away from it, even though a lot of people see it as, something that they are scared of, because the truth being told, a lot of people that are not really good in IT, I'm talking from student perspective because I deal more with students. Okay, I'm talking from student perspective. A lot of people that don't really do well in their IT related courses is as a result of the hatred they have for programming. Okay, so if you really want to, be an expert in IT, my opinion again, I believe you should first of all, even if you're not an expert in programming, you should key into the concept of programming, even if it's a little bit. Just understand it to a certain point, okay? So that when you come across anything that's related to it in IT generally, you will not find yourself in this state of I don't know what to do. Okay, so that is it. That are some of the things that you stand to know, or that those are some of the things. Those are some of the things rather that you stand to gain when you are into programming. Okay, so those are some of the benefits of programming in a nutshell. Okay, so that's it. Those are some of the benefits of programming. Whenever you find yourself doing programming, you should know that, okay, these are the reasons why I'm into this. Okay, so